Well, New Fantasyland is an amazing place. You can actually literally go from Dancing with Tony, of Dancing with the Stars and Beauty and the Beast Ballroom to Ariel's Castle. And we're here at Journey of the Little Mermaid with one of the Imagineers, Chad, who brought this to life. And now, on the eve of the opening, can you tell us a little bit about what it was like to create this amazing attraction?
Oh, it was amazing that we had this diverse and talented team to pull this all together. This is the site of the former 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and that it is appropriate that we go back to the sea with Ariel and Prince Eric.
And I've noticed that you guys really paid a lot of attention to the detail from the queue line all the way into the ride. And can you tell us a little bit about what inspires you to add those fun little details?
Well, we want to make this an immersive event. Right from when you get off the promenade into the queue and into the ride, we want guests to feel that they're at Prince Eric's castle and they're traveling in a voyage under the sea.
And you've really got a lot of the iconic scenes from the movie, and I'm sure guests will recognize that. How did you pick how to do that, and what elements to include?
It really wasn't picking certain scenes. We included the entire story. We want guests to experience from getting off the promenade, going to see Prince Eric's castle, and take them on a journey into each of the scenes within the story, including all the characters and music that made the Little Mermaid special.
Yes, and I know you've got Scuttle as the narrator, and I really kind of love how he tells the story. And do you have a particular favorite scene or effect? I know it's really hard when you work on the creation, but can you tell us what your favorite is?
My favorite is the Under the Sea scene, where all of Ariel's friends and Sebastian is conducting the Under the Sea song. It's energetic. You get a great feeling going through that scene.
I have to admit, that is really my favorite scene too. I just love it. It's so colorful, so musical. Thank you so much for chatting with us today, and I really recommend everybody come on out and ride this ride.
Thank you, Barb.